Here are some motivational quotes by APJ Abdul Kalam. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Don't take rest after your first victory because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. All of us do not have equal talent. But all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. You should not give up and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. Small aim is a crime. Have great aim. Man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy success. Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of your career. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. We should not give up and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. Great dreams of great dreamers are always transcended. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. The best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. These quotes reflect his deep belief in the power of perseverance, education, and dreams. Winners are not those who never fail but those who never quit. Don't read success stories, you will only get a message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to get success. Thinking is the capital, enterprise is the way, and hard work is the solution. You have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. For great men, religion is a way of making friends. Small people make religion a fighting tool. Be more dedicated to making solid achievements than in running after swift but synthetic happiness. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. These quotes highlight the importance of perseverance, self-belief, and continuous learning. Let not thy winged days be spent in vain. When once gone, no gold can buy them back again. A dream is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that does not let you sleep. The key to my motivation has always been to look at how far I had still to go rather than how far I had come. Suffering is the essence of success. The youth need to be enabled to become job generators from job seekers. These quotes emphasize the importance of time, ambition, perseverance, and self-reliance. Your best teacher is your last mistake. Don't stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place, that is, the unique you. Success is when your signature becomes an autograph. Dream, dream, dream. Conduct these dreams into thoughts, and then transform them into action. Love your job but don't love your company, because you may not know when your company stops loving you. These quotes inspire action, perseverance, and self-improvement. Be active, take on responsibility, work for the things you believe in. If you do not, you are surrendering your fate to others. All birds find shelter during a rain, but the eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. You see, God helps only people who work hard. That principle is very clear. To succeed in life and achieve results, you must understand and master three mighty forces: desire, belief, and expectation. Ultimately, education in its real sense is the pursuit of truth. It is an endless journey through knowledge and enlightenment. These quotes reflect his emphasis on hard work, responsibility, and the pursuit of knowledge. The ignited mind of the youth is the most powerful resource on the earth, above the earth, and under the earth. One of the very important characteristics of a student is to question. Let the students ask questions. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Thinking should become your capital asset, no matter whatever ups and downs you come across in your life. Never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place, that is, the unique you. Have an aim in life, continuously acquire knowledge, work hard, and have perseverance to realize the great life. These quotes inspire resilience, curiosity, and the pursuit of one's goals with determination. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Great teachers emanate out of knowledge, passion, and compassion. Let us not forget that the strength of a nation lies in its people's aspirations for growth and development. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. Those who cannot work with their hearts achieve but a hollow, half-hearted success that breeds bitterness all around. These quotes highlight the importance of dreams, education, compassion, and working with dedication. Success is not a product of luck, it's a result of deliberate actions. Without your involvement, you can't succeed. With your involvement, you can't fail. If four things are followed, having a great aim, acquiring knowledge, hard work, and perseverance, then anything can be achieved. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. The best way to live your life is to never be afraid of challenges and to face them with confidence. These quotes emphasize the importance of involvement, education, and facing challenges with confidence. Don't fear failing in the first attempt, because even the successful math starts with zero only. All of us do not have equal talent. But, all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. Work with integrity and succeed with integrity. To become unique, the challenge is to fight the hardest battle which anyone can imagine until you reach your destination. If you salute your duty, you no need to salute anybody. But if you pollute your duty, you have to salute everybody. These quotes inspire courage, integrity, hard work, and perseverance can make mistakes. Check important info. Says. Here are more motivational quotes by APJ Abdul Kalam. 1. Don't fear failing in the first attempt, because even the successful math starts with zero only. Though all of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. 3. Work with integrity and succeed with integrity. 4. To become unique, the challenge is to fight the hardest battle which anyone can imagine until you reach your destination. 5. If you salute your duty, you no need to salute anybody. But if you pollute your duty, you have to salute everybody. These quotes inspire courage, integrity, hard work, and perseverance.